I don't know how to remove this one. So probably this one. I know. So you need to push and one. So if you want to put it back, just insert. Okay. This would serve as the stand of your camera. Oh, this one. I think so. Okay. And you could put the camera on this side. Ayan. And then you put the screw back so that it would be stable. Ayan. Or you could use this one so that you could film the video. Okay. So, this is the GoPro Hero 8, the latest model of GoPro Hero 8 Black. Welcome to my YouTube channel. One way of managing stress is something that makes us happy. I am not expert for this one, but I would want to learn so that I could create more videos, create more beautiful pictures that I could show to all of you. So, in this Hero 8 bundle, special bundle GoPro Hero 8 Black. So it has a live burst, super photo plus HDR, hyper smooth 2.0. I don't know what does it mean. Time wrap 2.0, and I could do live stream at 1080p live streaming, and there's also live burst. So let's figure out in the next coming videos on how we could shoot, how we could use GoPro, and also if I would go diving, because there are so many diving sites in the Philippines, scuba diving, and some of my friends are into diving. So probably I could use this one because it says here it's 33 feet below water and or 10 meters. Oh. So, let's see what's inside. What's inside this special bundle GoPro. So, if you open it, this would be the camera. It's a very small camera. Sige, tignan natin. We'll figure out, remove the screw so that we could remove the camera. So, this would be the camera of the GoPro Hero 8, and in previous model of GoPro, the camera can be detached, but this one it's fixed. Okay, so you need to protect the lens of the camera, and there's so many features of this one. So this one would be the ano bang tawag dito? I don't know how to remove this one, but I may. As I have said, this is my first time to have this, but I don't know how to remove this one. But anyway, before we're removing that, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, inside the box, aside from this camera, let's just put this one here. Obviously, we have all those papers that I need to read. I haven't read them. So there's let's call this one, a micro SD card, just included in the package. It's a 32 GB. I believe that you need to have a higher micro SD card, because if you would be using this camera, you would be shooting in a 4K resolution, so it would consume a lot of memory. So you would be having, you have 2 batteries included for this special bundle. So you have a special battery, so in case that one battery would be empty, a spare battery would be used for your live or for your shooting. So this would be the battery for the GoPro Hero 8. So special bundle has 2 battery included in the package, and then you have this USB USB-C for you to connect, charge. And then including for the bundle, this one is a sticky thing that you could connect your GoPro. And then, you have a strap. I think this strap is for when you want to shoot it and using a head strap. So this is included also. in this GoPro, and then you have a stick. So you could do your selfie now. You could film yourself. You could do camera stick for your GoPro Hero 8. So I would want to study more of this GoPro so that in the next coming videos, you would see me using this one so that you could have a higher resolution camera, and I could probably test this one in our future episode for our live streaming. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to share my first gadget probably this year that I could use for our YouTube videos. Not just for YouTube videos, for different videos that I would be creating for all of you. And again, if you are into the adventure side and if you are creative, try to have one if you want, but it's kind of pricey for some. But if this would make our videos more attractive, more creative, or more visual in terms of the clarity, in terms of the resolution, you may have this one. I'll try to figure out on how to use it so that I could share to all of you soon the instructional guide for this one and shoot some videos for this one. So again, thank you so much, and see you soon for our next video. GoPro Hero 8 Black, and as I have mentioned, so this is one way. This is my first time managing my stress. You can manage your own stress too in different forms, in different ways. This is GoPro Hero 8. So this is the new special bundle of Hero 8 GoPro. So I would be using it.